Welcome to the Educational Camp Come Counseling Session by Enviro Skills Academy, providing 100% international placement. We are offering scholarship to students getting on the spot registration. So please join us on the 8th and 9th of May 2024.
100 families there from
Most of them are from Bangladesh. Most of them.
Ki poiwer ki basong bian halum survey hajan jong ka fire and emergency service yodo hajaka ka Shillong Cantonment Board ki lakhang talay la ki yeng sa jong ki nado dang stamp marsenyo jing tip bakan don ka jingwan jurip da ki bor pnya district ka East Khasi Hills Shillong Municipal Board Shillong Cantonment Board Meghalaya Urban Development Authority Defence Estate Office ki bor pulit lam ki noi lam ki hinyo trap youth council hakno phai singi jong pratarik jemmang arjar pusau Kumban Shukdo bakani ke jing jurep kala wan long hadian ke jing dawa ke HYC ke bala sei madan ya ke jing don ki basa bian hakani ke jaka da ki poiwer ki bam itu ithau sho hakani ke jaka men ha ka arpsan trek wi yong arja arpsau Shisngi hadian ke te ke jing lap ke HYC ki officer bat kinong trei ke tanat Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited MEECL ki lahiar ban jurep ban lap la ke jing ring boarding electric ka long ne em ka babian chekini palat chispat li ki long yeng henrei shwaban poi la syam bala dap ot lupa ya ki wire I boarding Kinong elam ke HYC kila ong hakmat kita ki officer badai ban be ki poi wir nakani ke jaka om ban yakran ya ki dukan ni ki jaka bu tiar ki badon hapdeng ke muka duma.
But the case is only regarding these three properties. The stay orders, the rest illegal settlers.
And he has already given an affidavit as well that the case is only till my head, not
कितना
सर मेरा तो 2 आदमी कम करने वाला
नहीं ये दिखा है ना
पीछे कम से कम 100 फैमिली से ज़्यादा है सर और वो इलीगल है सर
हम दुकान खोलने से पहले
No headman.
Earlier the DO thought that it was him who got them settled. So he has given an affidavit to DO and to the Defence State Officer. So he has given an affidavit to both the DSO and also the HYC that I have put the stay only for my shop, not for the illegal settlers. I have nothing to do with them. All the drug activities, actually, he has proved to be the witness in the state that I have seen all this and I am myself against all this.
Even in the court also, they have written a letter to the DO also. His claim is only regarding the shop, nothing to do with the illegal.
Yeah.
Illegal settlers.
100 families there from
Most of them are from Bangladesh. Most of them.
उनका सर क्या है वो डॉक्यूमेंट है
Documents है ही नहीं sir. There's no documents.
Yes sir
And also there is an NGO who's been working inside by the name Spark Foundation. They have also given a list of all the people who are doing illegal activities inside. They are also in our support, completely with our support. That inside there is all the rubbish things are happening.
No, the question is not about whether they are Indian citizen or they are Bangladeshi. It's about illegal settlement.
Correct.
Our concern is the illegal settlement here.
Correct.
Our concern is to remove these people. These three, they are in the case, there is a stay order, fine. But the rest of them, 80 to 100 households, are illegally settling here. So they should not be permitted to stay there. That is the objective of us asking for an inspection, so that you know, because the DC has made a statement that there is a case going on. The matter is sub judice. But it is not the whole thing. Only these three, the rest are illegal settlement. So action should be taken for the illegal settlement.
you can just check it the lock on it just
lock and lock. How many just count? Go with them.
only we will know the lock no
Yes, the lock.
one
2, 3.
ये लोग देखता है कितना बड़ी
Bihari. Korea. Bengali.
1, 2, 3. Go ahead. 4.
हाँ? नाम? बाबा का नाम क्या? बाबा का नाम क्या? कहाँ है?
ये हम लोग का नहीं तो मतलब गाँव गया
तुम्हारा
हम लोग को देखने बोला
किसका घर?
उस लोग का दूसरा आदमी
छवि नहीं
छवि नहीं है?
लेके चला गया
ठीक है अच्छा 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.